St. Paul Cathedral. The entry happens through the wrought iron gate called Sir William Prentice Memorial Gate, named after Sir William Prentice. St. Paul's Cathedral is the Church of Northern India, a cathedral of Anglican background in Kolkata, West Bengal, noted for its Gothic architecture and is dedicated to Paul the Apostle. This is the seat of Diocese of Kolkata or Calcutta, and its cornerstone was laid in 1839 and was completed in 1847. Bishop Daniel Wilson was the founder of the cathedral. The architectural design of the cathedral is Indo Gothic, a Gothic architectural structure styled and designed to meet the climate of India. Two major earthquakes in 1897 and 1934 led to substantial damage, and the cathedral was reconstructed to a revised design. This cathedral was built to replace St. John's Church, which had become too small for the growing European community. Military engineer Major William Nyan Forbes, who later on became Major General, at the request of Bishop Wilson, designed the cathedral with the assistance of architect C.K. Robinson. 3 stained glass windows and 2 frescoes are in the Florentine Renaissance style. The west window was created by Morris and Company to a design by Sir Edward Brune Jones. Since the style is Indo Gothic, it was known as spurious Gothic adapted to the exigencies of Indian climate. In the consecration ceremony, Queen Victoria had sent 10 pieces of silver gilt plate. After 1934 Calcutta earthquake, the tower was built along the lines of Central Bell Harry Tower of Canterbury Cathedral. The tower was fitted with 5 clocks, each with a weighing of 3 tons. When the initial cathedral was completed in 1847, it was compared to Norwich Cathedral in England. The cathedral also has a library in which 8,000 books and manuscripts were donated by Bishop Wilson. Later on, Gordon and Reverend J. Nath of University of Oxford and Calcutta Bible Society also donated books. In this heart of the city, a bustling city, this is a place of solitude and is surrounded by number of species of trees. Approximately 63 were planted in this garden during the first period of 1847 when the cathedral had just opened. The length of the cathedral is 247 feet, the width is 81 feet, and the spire height is 201 feet. It is said that during Second World War, to avoid the Japanese, the cathedral was covered with nets, fishing nets that saved Kolkata as well as the cathedral. This is the part of long forgotten history of Kolkata. I hope you're liking the videos. If you like the video, please share and comment so that I get enthused to make more videos like this. Thank you. Love to all of you. Keep seeing my videos, keep commenting, and if you like it, please give likes. Thank you once again. Listen to the chirruping of birds in the background. It is so enchanting and such solitude. You will love it.